Seeing faded lines, inconsistent printing, or missing sections on your labels? Your printhead or platen roller may need a little maintenance. Regular cleaning is one of the simplest ways to help maintain consistent print quality and extend the life of your thermal printer. Before beginning, power down the printer and allow the printhead to cool completely. Then open the printer and access the printhead and platen roller. The printhead is a critical component of your thermal printer. Dust, adhesive residue, and other buildup can affect print quality and lead to inconsistent or faded printing. Using the appropriate cleaning materials, carefully clean the printhead surface. Avoid touching the printhead with your fingers, as oils from your skin can contaminate the surface. Next, clean the platen roller. Remove any adhesive, dust, or debris that may have accumulated on the roller. A clean roller helps maintain proper media movement and consistent printing. Take your time around the printhead and roller area. Be thorough but gentle. These components are designed for precision, so avoid using excessive pressure or abrasive materials. For more preventative tips, contact our service department at service@microcomcorp.com.